So this is your terminal. Now the terminal, you can see this. This is in three parts. The first part here, that is Nelson written here. This is username of this computer. Okay. After that there is @ sign, and after that there is another name. This is name of this computer. Okay. And there is dollar symbol, and after this dollar symbol you can start giving commands. Okay. So now I am typing the first command, that is cal. So cal here is for calendar. So when you click enter, you will able to see current month's calendar here. Okay. Now see this calendar in graphical mode. When we click here, we can see current month's calendar. This is GUI. Okay. And this is called CLI, command line interface, wherein for whatever action we want to do, we used to give a command. So here this is calendar command. Now this command we can modify for different output. So that is called providing different arguments. For that, first is command name space, then I am typing some value, that is for month, then space, then 1947. Okay. So understand this properly. This is calendar command, then one space I have given here, then two digits are there, that is for month. Okay, 08. So if month is in single digit, we are supposed to provide 0 before that. And then again one more space I have given, okay, here, and then providing year, that is 1947, and now I am pressing enter. Now if I want to see the whole year's calendar, for example, cal command gives current month and current year's calendar. So here cal space 2021. Okay. So 2021 calendar it will show. Now I'm pressing enter. Here you can see this. First 6 months are not visible properly. Then July to December we can see in this screen. So now how to make this proper? Okay. So for that, cal space 2021 space, then pipe symbol is there. Okay, on your keyboard, pipe symbol, and then space MORE. Okay. So these are called arguments of calendar command. So first argument we have given is 2021, that is year, then space pipe space more. That means we will get this calendar from January month, and whatever part is not visible on the screen, that we can see after pressing enter key. Okay, so let's see output of this more command. So here we can see January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and that is also up to some part of this last 3 months we can see. So you can see here more option. So when you click here, one line output you will get here. Okay, line by line, one line you will get here. Okay, so this is more command. Now to get clear this output on this terminal, clear command is there. Okay, it will remove all output, previous output. Now we are going to see date command. Okay, date, and press enter. Now by default it will show current date and time both. Now suppose if we want to see date only, not time, at that time we are going to provide argument, that is in single quote plus percent capital D. Okay, and then single quote over, and then press enter. Now it is showing us current date only, that is 1st October 21. Since in our computer setting the date format is in month, date and year format, so it is showing that format. Same way, suppose if I want to see time only, so plus percent and t in place of d. Okay, t is for time, so it will show current time in my computer. Now this is terminal. Terminal is CLI, that is command line interface. How to start terminal? From this launcher, you can type terminal and then click on this terminal button and you will get this open here. Okay, and there are different options. Okay, in file edit, in edit you can set profile preferences. Profile preferences are what? You can change look of this screen. For example, colors. Right now green and black. I am taking black and white. Okay. Background also you can change. You can set a background image in this terminal also. Okay. So this way you can change look of your terminal. Then you can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, using control plus plus and control plus minus. Okay, so that will zoom in and zoom out the screen. So this is how you can set terminal properties. Now next is, now we want a command line calculator. For that, BC basic calculator, then hyphen L. Okay, this is optional. If you directly write BC, then also it will come. Okay, and then this is called version of this calculator. Okay, this calculator's version and other details are there, and your cursor will come in a new line, blank line. Okay, now you are not going to see this part. Okay, now we can start calculations here. Okay, like this. So total of 1 2 3 4 plus 3 2 1 4, the sum is triple 4 8. So this is addition. Same way multiplication also we can do, or whatever we can do in calculator, we can do all operations here in command line also.